قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە مامۆستا دایک و باوکە قوتابی خوشک و برانە مامۆستا دایک و باوکە قوتابی خوشک و برانە قوتابی بە ئاسوودەم خوێندن پیشەما بەردەم قوتابی بە ئاسوودەم خوێندن پیشەما بەردەم لە کلێڤەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەهی دێنم لە کلێڤەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەهی دێنم لە کلێڤەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەهی دێنم لە کلێڤەردا دەخوێنم.
Toby's car is under the tree. Can you see under the tree? Come on. Let us find out where the car. We have what? We have one beautiful girl. In the number 2, we have this girl.
Yeah! Come on! Body song! Bop, 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 body, body, bop, 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 body, body, bop, bop. Tap my eyes, tap my ears, tap my nose, tap my mouth. Tap, tap, tap my body, bop, 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 everybody bop, bop. Bop, 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 body, body, bop, 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 body, body, bop, bop.
Shaking my head, shaking my shoulders, shaking my waist, shaking my hips, shaking, shaking, shaking my body. Bop, 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 everybody bop, bop.
Bop, 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 body, body, bop, 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 body, body, bop, bop.
Touching my arms, touching my hands, touching my legs, touching my feet, touching, touching, touching my body.
Hello, I am a teacher on this course training. I did my best to teach the student how to talk in English because English is an international language. That's why everyone needs to learn this language.
Let's listen.
Time to see. Yes, see.
Yeah! Come on! Body song!
Bop, 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 body, body, bop, 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 body, body, bop, bop.
Tap my eyes, tap my ears, tap my nose, tap my mouth. Tap, tap, tap my body, bop, 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 everybody bop, bop.
قوتابخانەکەمان قوتابخانەی کلێڤەری بنەڕەتی ناخۆکردنی ساڵانە هەڵدەستێ بەکردنەوەی خولی هاوینە بۆ زمانی ئینگلیزی بۆ قوتابیانی خۆناغی یەکی بنەڕەتی تاوەکوونەوە گشت قوتابیان دەتوانن بەشدار بن لەم خولەدا هەروەها قوتابخانەکەمان ئەم ساڵ هەڵساوە بە دابینکردنی مامۆستایانی بەتوانا و ئەزموندار و لێهاتوو لە بوارەدا هیوادارین قوتابیان لەم خۆناغەدا و لەم خولەدا لە کۆتایی بتوانن هەنگاوێکی باش بەرە فێربوونی زمانی ئینگلیزی بستنکەن.
Touching my arms, touching my hands, touching my legs, touching my feet, touching, touching, touching my body. Bop, 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 everybody bop, bop.
Yeah! Sing along.
Hello, my name is Miri. I am student in Clever School. I like the subject. It's Let's Go on English. Let's sing a song for you. Incy Wincy Spider, the clapped the water spout. Down came the rain, there washed the spider around. Out came the sunshine, that dried all the rain. And the Incy Wincy Spider, they clapped the spout again.
Hello, my name is Sidra. I participate with English course at a Clever School. I am very happy here because I have many friends.
Hello, my name is Amans. I participate to English course at Clever School.
Hello, I participate in English course at Clever Private School. Thank you, Clever School, and thank you for our teacher.
Hello, my name is Reshma. I am in the first course of Clever School, and I love this school because they have the best teachers and they are kind to all girls and boys.
is what?
Hello everyone. We as a clever basic school, we have already decided to open English new course, English summer course to the students who came here, for our students and those students who came here to be more fluent and speaking English. And we came here, we help them to be more educated and be more accurate in speaking. So that's our goal. And the course it takes 2.5 months. It is about 2 system levels, family, friend, and speak now. They got 2 difference, and our teachers really good teachers, and they got really good ability, and they speak fluently in English. So that's why we choose this, and we decided this to be English be our goal, and English be our main, to be speaking English in the classes for the next future, bright future. So I'm really delighted that the course going well and the students getting really good information about this. So thank you very much, and I appreciate this.
Listen and write the numbers. Water.
قوتابی ما ئاسوودەم خوێندن پیشەوا هەردام
Hello, my name is Karia. I'm 8 years old. I'm in English language course at Clever Private School. The teachers are very kind. When I grow up, I like to be a doctor. Doctor's job is very awesome. Thank you.
Hi, I am Suruj. I participated from this course, Technique of English. It was really a huge benefit. Now I could talk very well. Many thanks to my teachers. They are so friendly with me.
I'm a student that participated from this course. It's really useful because I could talk in English confidently.
Hello, my name is Nur. I'm 11 years old. I am participated in Clever School course. I have learned English in here. I have got more information in here. My book is Family and Friends. Thanks for my teacher.
Hello, my name is Kushan. I am 11 years old. I have participated at Clever summer course. I have learned English. I have got more information here. My school is very beautiful. My book is Family and Friends.
قوتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووە